Hello and welcome to another video of 3D Make It All. My name is Jasper and I'm going to show you how you can save up to 50% of your printing time in ultimaker Cura. So you can do other stuff like watching one of your favorite movies, for instance.
Oh, nice!
So let's get started. Today we're going to be talking about ultimaker Cura and how you can save up to 50% of your printing time. So as you can see, I got two versions of Cura. On the left I got version 15.04.6 and on the right I got version 4.8. Both the settings are the same, as you can see. So now I'm going to import the same model into both slicers. And then I'm going to show you the printing time on both models, and of course we are going to compare the models to see if the quality is the same, because you want to save time but you don't want to save on quality, right? So let's slice the models and check out the differences. I don't know why the newer version has a longer printing time, but we see on the left that it takes 50 minutes to print, and on the right we see it takes 1 hour and 37 minutes. Perhaps it's due to the way of creating the G-code toolpaths, but I'm not sure. If you know why the other version is taking longer, please let us know in the comments down below, as we are eager to know. So let's print the models and check out the differences. We'll be right back. On the left we can see the part sliced with the older version of Cura, and on the right we can see the part sliced with the newer version. And as we take a closer look, they look quite the same. We can't see any differences between the parts. So if you don't need the plugins, the many experimental features the newer version of Cura has to offer, you can use an older version to save lots of time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will be releasing more content soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.